Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here, and it's time to take a look at this new flagship projector from JMGO, the N1S Ultimate 4K. Clearly it comes in this really handy carrying case, but it also has Netflix and Google TV built into it. Big thanks to JMGO for sponsoring this video and sending over the projector for us to check out. This is a triple laser projector, which is supposed to get really bright, also keep the contrast and the colors very accurate. I'm excited for you to check it out. Let's get started. Inside that very premium carrying case, you get your power adapter, a quick start guide with an adjustment tool, plus you have a dedicated remote, which does come with AAA batteries, don't worry, and a closer look at that actual remote. Notice there is a voice assistant button up towards the top, plus some quick shortcuts to all of my favorite apps. And no, I'm not a DJ on the side. At the bottom, you can see that stand, which has some grip to it. It goes 360 degrees horizontally for that gimbal. Not only that, it has 135 degrees of vertical pitch, so you can actually point it up towards the ceiling. It makes this projector so versatile. And finally, you have the JMGO N1S Ultimate 4K projector. Considering the specs, I'm impressed with the size of it. It's going to make it very portable, but also able to fit in different types of spaces around my room. Not only that, it also has just a really sleek design. It will blend in with the aesthetic of a lot of spaces. On the back, you do get some ventilation, but also a USB Type-A port and 2 HDMI ports. Really nice, especially because one is eARC in case you want to connect an external sound system. Plus, you also get a headphone jack. And in case you don't want to plug in speakers, no problem. JMGO includes very powerful speakers that use Dolby Audio. On the front of the JMGO N1S Ultimate 4K, you get all of your sensors for autofocus and auto keystone. By the way, not only 4K resolution, you get up to 3500 ANSI lumens of ultra high brightness out of this projector. Of course, it's great to have that 4K Ultra HD resolution, which makes everything look super crisp. However, this projector also has the JMGO MALC technology, which is a proprietary technology from JMGO. MALC stands for Microstructure Adaptive Laser Control, and it's a triple color laser optics engine, which makes the image not only brighter, but more vivid. You get more detailed and true to life scenes, which is super helpful, especially when you're watching TV shows and movies. Especially when you're watching a more cinematic movie, it's great because that image stays more consistent and balanced. That MALC technology ensures that the brightness, the color gamut, and contrast achieve perfect picture quality without sacrificing anything. And you get the latest Google TV built into this projector, so you have a bunch of recommendations on your homepage, some live TV, and of course, all of the apps you could want, specifically Netflix. Netflix is built in. This has been so nice, especially because I've been binge watching Suits, and it's nice because when I'm on the go, I've been watching it on my phone, and then when I come home, come downstairs, sit on the couch, I can just continue watching. Something I noticed right away is how crazy good the autofocus and auto keystone correction is. So whatever angle I put the projector at, it automatically adjusts for me, fills it, makes it look flat and straight. It's actually almost instant, but that makes it so nice because then you can set it around the room in different spots, especially with this projector being so portable. And like I mentioned, there's that 135 degrees of vertical tilt, so if you're laying in bed or laying on the couch, you can just turn the projector up towards the ceiling and start watching content on the ceiling. A great feature of the JMGO N1S Ultimate 4K. Since there's Chromecast built in, I can even cast content to the TV, so when I had people over, I was able to share different pictures that I had taken that they wanted to see. That great picture quality doesn't just come out on videos, but also while I'm gaming. There is a game mode for low latency, and you can play all different kinds of games, sports games, first-person shooters, every fast-paced game. It looks fantastic. I've had it connected to my Xbox One, and yes, you do have the Google Voice Assistant built in with Google TV, so you can ask it to tell you the weather, or even open up specific applications, or even continue watching specific shows. Of course, you have the YouTube app on there, so you can watch your favorite YouTube videos and even your favorite YouTuber. I also like that there's the Spotify app, so when I want to, I can listen to music and take advantage of those really good sounding speakers. So to wrap things up, I have to say I am really impressed with the JMGO N1S Ultimate 4K projector. I've had a great time watching content, playing games. I will say it is crazy how bright this projector actually actually gets, especially if I have light coming into the room. I can still see the image clearly and it doesn't look washed out. So useful because even in daylight environments, you can still achieve those perfect viewing effects. So clearly JMGO's mount technology really is working. And on top of all of that, it has Google TV, which is what you want to look for, especially because it has official Netflix support. So anyways, drop a comment. Let me know what you think about this projector. All links will be down in the description of the video below. Be sure to subscribe. A lot more content coming soon. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.